Hello, I am so excited to share with you some news today. So I just published a book. It's called Be Prepared, Not Scared, 12 Steps to Emergency Preparedness. And what it is the program I've used to share with thousands of families, helping them to become prepared for anything that might come their way. Now, has anything come your way this year? 2020 has been an interesting year, hasn't it? And we have had a lot going on, a lot that we didn't expect, and a lot that we didn't anticipate would be affecting our lives. Now, I would expect that we're probably going to have more in the future as well. And anytime we have these unknowns come, it leaves us with a very unsettled, unsecure, unconfident feeling, and nobody likes that. So what I've done is created a program that can help you become prepared. Now, can we anticipate everything? Of course not. But we can prepare for what might come, which gives you the confidence and the security that you need to be able to take care of your family in difficult times. I'm really excited about this book. I've been working on this book for years, but just intensely for the last 3 months, and I am so excited. It's on Amazon. It's ready to be purchased today, actually. But we're going to be doing a lot of things to kick off this book. So in light of the 12 steps to emergency preparedness, we're going to be doing the 12 days of preparedness, just like the 12 days of Christmas. But our days don't end on the 25th, they end on December 30th. Because on December 30th, we're going to be holding a live event where I introduce the book, I introduce the concepts, we give away a lot of fun things, and you get to ask me questions about what you are really wondering about for your journey to preparedness, to emergency preparedness. I'm so excited about this. So today is the first day of preparedness, and the first chapter in the book is water storage. Now, why did I pick that as the first chapter? There's actually a method to the madness here. The reason is, in an emergency, there's something called the rule of threes, which says that we can survive for 3 minutes without air, for 3 days without water, and for 3 weeks without food. So often in our emergency preparedness efforts, we really focus on the food. We need to get food, so we can make sure we can eat. But you last a lot longer without food than you do without water. So water is the number one thing and the first thing you need to start with when preparing for an emergency. I'm looking outside right now. I don't know if you can see behind me. If you're in Utah, you know that we have a lot of snow on the ground right now. And you might think, oh, great, if the water went out right now, I'd be just fine. I can go melt all that water. Did you know that when you melt snow, it actually condenses down to about 1/5 of what you melt? So you have to collect a lot of snow to be able to get enough drinkable water. And if you think, well, I'll just go and eat the snow out there, it actually dehydrates your body because you have to use your body to warm that snow up and melt it. So it's actually quite dehydrating just to eat the snow. So you need to come and melt it. Just little tips like that I'm going to share with you in this book. Right behind me is my Berkey, right here, my Berkey water filter. I'm going to tell you what you need to do to, first of all, store water, how you need to store it, what you need to use to store it in. But then if you don't have enough stored water, if an emergency continues past that, what you need to do is be able to use found water. So that's ditch water, or water from your roof, from the rain, whatever it might be. You need to know what to do with that found water as well in an emergency. So the book again teaches you about filtration, about purification, what the difference is between the two, how to do both, and how to store things so that you can do both reliably and predictably and safely for your family. So this is the first day of preparedness. Catch us the next 12 days. We're going to be talking about all 12 chapters in the book. And then on the 30th, we're going to have a fun live event. You'll find information about that. We'll post it here. A live event teaching all about preparedness, allowing you to ask questions. Like I said, freebies. That's going to be on December 30th at 6 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. I hope you are all here, and look for the book. It's on Amazon, and if you order it now, you're kind of in the pre-order time. It's actually available, but it's going to take a little while to get to you. But you can check it out. Be Prepared, Not Scared by Michelle Jorgensen on Amazon today. And it's something you're going to want to kick off in January with 12 months of preparedness. One topic every month, so that you can have that peace and security you're looking for no matter what the world brings. So thank you for watching, and I am excited to continue to bring this information every single day for the next 12 days and excited for our Zoom kickoff. So check out the book, and let's get prepared together.